It's Alpha Dominion Forex Traders. Today is 30th of August 2023. Like I told you, here we take some trade based on Bollinger Band and Ichimoku. If you go to my earlier posts, I told you when you see green and when you see a curve of the Bollinger Band, which is 50 Bollinger Band that curve upwards or downwards, once it curve upwards and you are seeing green and the Bollinger Band also take a shape that is needed for you to take a buy, green means buy while red means sell. You could see today, despite the news, that the news of today is against the dollar, despite the fact that the news of today is against the dollar, the non-farm employment change news which came on by 1:15 and the preliminary GDP quarter that came on 1:30. But for the fact that you are seeing green on 30, wait for the news to break. If it's in favor of your green, then you can buy this market. So we enter this market today, and when I mean market, I'm talking about this global trade. This is pound USD. These are 30 minutes. You could see, you could trade this in 30 minutes or trade it in 15 minutes. You see, the exact point where this trade is supposed to have been taken is this particular point, which I am going to show you now. At this point, you could see my line. When you see this green, when you see this green here, it tells you that this buy is imminent. So you wait for the news to break. If it is in your favor, then you are into buy. So when the news broke by 1:15 and it came back down to retest the middle Bollinger Band, you would have put in your buy here and take this trade. This is a live trade that is ongoing now. But what is key is that Ichimoku will tell you green, and it will help you to determine where you want to take your trade. Then you put your stop loss below here. This is a wonderful trade for today. You could see the entry. Then if you want, if there's going to be a sell in these 30 minutes, all you need is to look for a red. Look at where this red is in 30 minutes. This is on the 22nd of August 2022. Let me show you where you would have put a sell on this red. Sell on this red. Look at where you find the red. Look at the curve. Now, this is my line. Once this red is here, this is where you are supposed to put your sell, and you would have taken all this trade. But with this, I don't need to remain in this market till in the evening because I've actually gotten what I wanted. You could see this market continue to go up endlessly because this green on 30 minutes tells me is buy. Now, if you look at on the 22nd, this is red. It continues till on the 25th of August. Also, on the 14th of August, you could see there is a buy here. On the 14th of August, see where you see green here, you let it curve, then you take your buy. See, there's a buy here. Between here and here is a buy. See the buy from here. From beginning where the arrow goes, this is your buy. Then this is your sell. Because you are seeing red here, you are at an advantage in allowing the market to give you direction. So you take your sell from here to this point. And this is giving you close to 200 pips, and the other one is giving you close to 150 pips. But if you look at the pips concisely, you could say 1,200 and thereabout. You know, we don't normally talk about the last figure. This is where we are today. Now, this market is giving us, you have to wait for it to give it to you. You don't need to be in a hurry. This is where we are now. Then we can check the trade. This is the trade for today. Only today, I am making $331,000, though this is a count of over $900,000. So I enter 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. The beauty about using the Meta Trader 5 now is, instead of me to be closing all this trade one after the other, I can go ahead, I can close. This is okay by me for today. $334,200. This is a big feat. So all I can do today is, instead of closing one after the other, like I close this one, you know, Meta Trader 5 is making it possible that I just click on it, then I say bulk operation. I click accept, okay. Then I come here again, I say bulk operation, it said close all position. So I close all my positions. This is where we are now. Subscribe to Alpha Dominion Forex Trader as we continue to give you the opportunity of trading in this market on daily or weekly basis. This is Alpha Dominion Forex Trader. Subscribe to us. Tell others that have not heard about what we are doing, giving you the opportunity to trade. Market is easy. What we are doing is pictorial. If you can recognize green, recognize red, do 30 minutes, you can, okay, I can turn it to 15 minutes. This is also 15 minutes. The green is also in 15 minutes. So this is a confirmation. You can even do 5 minutes if you want to scalp. This is 5 minutes. You can see the green is also in 5 minutes. It's just that in 5 minutes you will come out of this market early. So you have something of this nature. Subscribe to us. This is Alpha Dominion Forex Traders, as we continue to give you opportunity of making money in the forex trading market.